Friends, if you are someone trading in the stock market, one of the concepts you definitely need to know is momentum. Market often moves with momentum, and generally the advice that all of us get is to always go with the momentum. So, what is a good way of identifying that the momentum is going up and this is the time to probably take a swing trade? Swing trade, in case you are not aware, is a trade where you are not doing an intraday trade, but you are tracking a stock for a while which seems to be showing a breakout and then take a trade for a few days or a week or more where you can capture gains. And momentum is a very good way of doing it. One very popular saying in the stock market is go with the momentum, do not sell your winners. And if something is going down, sell it, because whichever direction the momentum of the market is going, it is likely to continue. There are several indicators like RSI which people use to figure if the momentum is right and if something is primed for taking a trade. Now, generally, what you want to look at when doing a swing trade, when taking a swing trade, is that there is some amount of price momentum and there is a volume momentum as well happening with it. So the price is moving up and the volumes are also increased. And for that, several indicators are used. You also need to make sure that the stock is not overbought and is about to go down. And for that, again, certain indicators have to be kept in check. Now, what is a good way of identifying stocks that are in momentum and can be used for swing trading? I use a screener called ScanX for this. I have linked my Dhan account with this. This screener is made by Dhan, and I can look at my watch list, my portfolio, everything over here easily. And even if you do not log into this platform, ScanX.trade, it lets you do a lot of things. But if you want to customize your screens, logging in using a free Dhan account is recommended. I will give you link to both below, ScanX platform, as well as a link to open a free account with Dhan. Also remember, all the stocks which I am showing over here are basically just for example. I am not recommending you a stock. I am just helping you figure how to find momentum stocks. Now, once you are on ScanX platform, you will see screeners over here, and there are several kind of screeners that you will find. So there are fundamental screeners which help you figure fundamentally strong stocks. There are a lot of technical screeners. Then there are intraday screeners with various intraday options over here. You have price and volume screeners, so something like 52-week breakouts or 52-week high breakouts. There are candlestick screeners, different kinds of candlestick patterns, whichever stocks are forming, and you can have your own saved screeners where you have customized the screener for your own use, and I have in my previous videos shown you how to make that as well. Now, if we go into technical screeners, you have something called momentum stocks over here, which we are looking at today. Now, there are a lot of things which are already coded in here, like the price change should be more than 1% today. To weed out penny stocks, the price should be over 10 rupees. And for having some amount of predictability, the market cap by default has been set at 500 CR or more. So a lot of these criteria over here, for example, volume, the 1-day volume should be more than 2x of the 10-day simple moving average of volume. So there is volume momentum as well over here, which is coded over here. Now there is RSI, money flow index, and commodity channel index, all three over here as well, which are also pretty useful screeners. RSI is your relative strength index. It's a popular momentum indicator used by us in technical analysis. It basically measures the speed and change of price movement and helps identify overbought or oversold conditions. Now, generally RSI varies from 0 to 100. And if it is over 70, it indicates that a stock is overbought. And that's why it has been, I think, set over here to be either equal to or below 70 so that it is not in the overbought zone. Similarly, money flow index goes from 0 to 100. And typically, if it is above 70 or above 80, a lot of people believe above 80 as well, it is again considered to be overbought, and that's why this has been set over here by default to be less than equal to 70. You could set it to 80 as well. And commodity channel index goes from -100 to plus 100. Generally, if CCI is above 100, it signals a strong upward movement, possibly leading to a price peak. So that I believe has been coded here as well. So you could change these by using the customize button, and you could make this into a screener for your own way of finding momentum stocks, where you can choose what industry these stocks should be, what index should they be part of, what should be the revenue of these companies, what should be the market cap. If you want to only play in larger stocks, you could change this to 5,000 CR or 10,000 CR as well to be the bottom market cap. And you can change your RSI, money flow index, and commodity channel index, all of these as per your preference. So this is how you can find momentum stocks for swing trading. Do let me know if you find this tool and platform useful, and I'll see you in the next video.